It gives me immense pleasure to put forth our experience in the spiritual and Sadhu Sangh Nivas, Gita Nivas in Jammu. We were 69% Shiva devotees. We were instructed to assemble in the help desk in the early morning because there was a large queue already. So we sat in front of the help desk. We were very eagerly waiting to get the form filled. Wherever we go, they just instruct us to fill the forms. Here, the officers themselves fill the forms. They were treated all the persons in equal manner, providing food. The catering persons, they showered they showed maternal affection. Have some more food, have some more subject, have tea, everything. We enjoyed food. Then room facilities to feel that we were not all the way from 3,000 kilometers distance. We feel that as if we are in Tamil Nadu temple. We would like to sing one Mangal song for the officers of government and officials from different departments, police, maybe government, different boards, for the sake of all Jammu government officials. We would like to sing a hymn of Mangal song. Mannil nalla vannam vaazhalam vaigalo ennil nalla gadiki yaduvo kurayillai kannil nalla kalumala palanagar pennil nalladodum perundagai irundage pennil nalladodum perundagai irundage திருச்சிற்றம்பலம் அரகர நம பார்வதி ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும் வான்முகில் வளாது பெய்க மலிவளம் சுரக்க மன்னன் பொன்னுரை அரசு செய்க குறைவில்லாத உயிர்கள் வாழ